We've been using the same old 2D desktop for over 20 years. What if we were no longer limited to a 2D desktop? What if we could explore our data in 3D? What if we could organize our files the way we think of them in our heads, instead of being locked to a flat 2D grid? We are on the verge of a massive shift in how we interact with computers, with virtual reality and new pointing devices coming. This is the 3D Desktop Evolved, and it will change everything. You'll be able to navigate and view your files and folders in a way that up until now we've only seen in the movies. You can move objects and store them where you need them, not just in a set grid you've been locked to in the past. Moving files is just as easy as dragging and dropping, but even more intuitive, like placing objects on a shelf. You'll be able to turn in 360 degrees and see all of your objects. Need to delete a file? Throw your files into a black hole and watch them get pulled in. We're completely redesigning the entire desktop experience. Gone are the flat, static icons of the past. Icons will now be three-dimensional, dynamic, and customizable. You can view them from all sides and see them even animated. Application vendors can even embed their own 3D object icons into their programs, and our system will automatically use them. Not only will your objects be customizable, but you'll also be able to change the background at will. Want to have your desktop in space? Pick the theme, and your files are surrounded by planets and galaxies. Or maybe you'd rather be underwater, nestled among coral and sand. The options are only limited by the imagination. And if you like live tiles from Windows today, we're hoping to tap into the data feed and show them in 3D. Even though the environment is three-dimensional, virtual reality headsets are not required. However, if you have an Oculus Rift, the experience becomes that much more immersive. Need to find a file? Just turn your head, and there it is within arm's reach. And as the new 3D controllers are developed for Oculus and others, controlling your surroundings will become even better. We've seen amazing and futuristic 3D interfaces in the movies, so why don't we have those great interfaces now? The answer is we can. With the coming of the virtual reality age, it's becoming a necessity to change how we interact with our files. All we need is your help.